Raise the input forwarding wheel assembly. Check for adhesive buildup on the fixed media guide and guide pins. Also check for buildup on the adjustable guide. Check the input rollers for any debris. Open the ink door and clamshell. Open the door above the cutter. Check for debris around the gap and black mark sensors. Check for debris or ink buildup on the paper path rollers. Check for ink buildup or debris on the drip tray and star wheel assembly. Remove and clean if necessary. Close the door above the cutter. Close the clamshell. Close the ink door. Check for adhesive buildup on the output media guides, both the adjustable and fixed sides. Open the ink door and lift the clamshell. Lift the door above the cutter assembly. There are 2 screws holding the star wheel assembly in place. Carefully remove these 2 screws. The star wheel assembly can now be removed. It is important to use a lint-free cloth to clean the star wheel assembly. Do not use paper towels, as this can leave residue on the star wheels. Wipe in the direction of the star wheels only. Once cleaning is completed, reinstall the assembly with the 2 screws. Carefully remove the ink drip tray. Do not tip the tray or ink may spill. Wipe off excess ink and then clean using distilled water and a damp, lint-free cloth. To install the drip tray, open the ink tank door. Release the latch to raise the clamshell. Insert the tabs on the drip tray into the slots in the printer frame. Make sure the grounding spring is touching the drip tray. Close the clamshell.